What's up everybody and welcome back to a new video. And that was my first attempt, guys, to vlog in public. I know I was really nervous. I was really thinking of what are the other thinking of me, and I thought also that the people are staring at me, but that wasn't really the case. So in this video I'm going to talk about the fear of vlogging in public and what I did to not be that scared and to be more comfortable with doing what I was doing. A lot of government said that we are now in war with the coronavirus, so I can't travel, I can't go anywhere, I have to be home, I have to use the hashtag stay at home. It's better to stay at home for the others, for me, also for the older people which are with us, but it's better like this. I'm not a selfish person. That also gives me the opportunity now to think about what could I make for videos for my YouTube channel instead of going somewhere and traveling. Maybe I've seen now in the last 2, 3, 4 days I published a lot of drone videos from my previous trips. One idea was I could talk about the fear of vlogging. Like, I know a lot of people, they are really scared to start vlogging in public, and especially if there are a lot of people around them. In Lugano I tried for the first time to vlog outside with my camera, with my microphone, and it looks really huge, you know. It's not like a phone, like maybe you saying something in Snapchat or taking a picture, but it's really a camera, really equipment. It looks like this. I think a good tip to start vlogging is to search an area which is a bit empty, like there are not a lot of people there, maybe 2, 3, 4 or 5. And I did the same in Lugano. I searched a place that was the dock station. On my first attempts to vlog, I was so concentrated what the other are thinking, what I'm doing. Because of that I always forgot what I wanted to say. I said a lot of mistakes in my videos, so I have to do it again and again and again. But that was also a little bit funny. Now I have a lot of videos which are a bit more, they will fit like a fail competition, like a fail vlog competition. Maybe I will do one. When you have found this place, the next step, what you're gonna do is to concentrate, to look at your camera, like now. Look at the camera and be focused what you want to say. Don't think about who is around you or what happenings around you. Just be focused on what you want to say and start it like this. Like I'm speaking now with the camera, start the vlog like this. Say maybe 2, 3, 4 sentences, or maybe 1 sentence for the beginning if you're more comfortable like this. So, and that will take you also a little bit the fear out of you. It's like in a lot of things, it's also in a vlogging, like if you start something, if you do it more and more and more, you will be less scared about it. And I promise you, you will see after your first attempt, your second, your third attempt, your fourth attempt, it will be much more easier to speak with a camera in public. Also when the others are staring at you or looking at you, but they are not judging you, you know, they are looking because they're interested, like what you are doing. I had that also, that a lot of people, more older people, came to me and asked me what I'm doing right now, for what I'm talking with the camera or for what I'm flying my drone there. Then I explained it to them. I have a YouTube channel, I do it for YouTube, that's my hobby. I like this, I like to video editing, I like to film, I like to fly with my drone and to cut videos together. So they were surprised, and that was it. I thought it's really cute if someone asks you what you're doing. But what can you do if you don't find the empty area or there are everywhere people? Another tip is now you can put your headphones on and do like if you would talk to someone. Like fake a call and you're in public, there are people around you, but you are on your phone, you're phoning with someone, and that would also takes the first feelings of the fear out of you. And don't be scared to say it maybe 20 times or 10 times till it's okay for you, till you're happy with your result of the video, of the vlog. So don't be feared of what the others are thinking, because that doesn't matter. What matters is your video, your vlog. That's it, what counts. Another advice is to start a vlog with the mindset that that's your job, what you're doing right now. You get paid for that, you get the income for that. so it's okay. It don't have to be true, but it helps you. So guys, that was a little one. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you liked it. In the future I will produce more videos like the same or the similar content, maybe to talk about something or to help you in a way, because now traveling is not really an option. I don't want to risk something, so stay home, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Good.